Going into Walt Disney Studios. Oh, Goofy and Pluto are over there, just about maybe make them out. There's Mickey up there. Oh, this looks a bit different to what it looked like a couple of months ago. So this is the whole new Marvel area. So Terror Tower, and then a whole new Marvel area. None of this was open, was it? I don't remember that building being... Yeah, it was. Was it? Okay. Cool. So we're eating here tonight. We got reservations at 7, I think, 6 or 7, something like that. 6 o'clock, Kim shouting at me. So that's where we're eating tonight. So that's the Spider-Man ride, Web Shooters. So this is Web Shooters, we're going on that later? 35 minutes a single rider. Ah, cool. It's good they got a single rider lane. Toilets over there, it's good to know. Ah, now that is cool. That's cool. Oh, the shop. Yeah, going in there. Probably be spending way too much money in there.
Start Factories, that's another food place.
Oh, okay. Oh, Start Factories over there.
That's a fast food bit.
Fast food, quick service. Lovely. Well, that's incredible.
This ride here is replacing Rock and Roller Coaster, so if you've been to the States.
So Kim's just saying, this ride over here, so this is a ride all along here, and this is Flight Force. So this is what's replacing the Rock and Roller Coaster here. So that ride used to be Rock and Roller Coaster, but they've rethemed it into the Avengers ride.
Captain Marvel and Iron Man themed.
Oh, cool.
So it's them together.
Awesome.
I don't know where to go first.
I know. Should we head down that way?
Yeah, we'll have a look back.
We're just gonna have a look around the campus and then like make a decision of what we're gonna do first. So I don't think there's much back here. There's some seating and drink stations and stuff. I'm assuming that'll then lead into Star Wars back there, maybe.
Star Wars and Arendelle, yeah.
Yeah, Arendelle. Oh, what's that up there? That looks a bit... Trying to work out what that is there.
They'll build Star Wars, so we don't know if that's kind of...
Or is that Arendelle? That might be Arendelle. But yeah. So yeah, there's lots of stuff still being built.
Perimeter scan complete. All tripwires remain armed, Mr. Romanov. Intrusion alert, level 2. Intrusion. Disarmed. Sensor offline.
Oh, it's Vanessa.
Vous êtes encore nombreux? Intrusion alarm, level 2. All units alerted.
On arrête, vous en voulez encore?
Sasha! Get him!
Incoming call from
Get
Mr.
it.
Stark.
Je n'ai pas le temps. Raccroche, Friday.
Je crois qu'elle n'a pas raccroché. Salut Nat, tout va bien? T'as besoin d'aide?
Non, pas besoin d'aide.
C'est ce que je pensais. J'envoie du renfort.
Friday, what are we dealing with here?
Caution advised. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills.
C'est agaçant, ça. Tu cherches?
So heading on single rider, it's a 30-minute wait, so we'll see how long it takes.
Nos Avengers ont toute confiance en votre capacité à détourner les missiles de la Terre pour qu'ils puissent les détruire. Si les choses se passent telles que Monsieur Stark les imagine,
Confidence in your abilities to lead the projectiles away from the planet so they can demolish them. If this works as Mr. Stark envisions it, you will all save the world. Bear in mind, the hypersonic is a high...
C'est parti. Friday, vas-y.
Oh, great.
Initiating launch in 3, 2.
Je déteste les contrats.
Tony, I do not need your help blowing this stuff up. Go left! Go, go!
Bon travail, recrue. Veuillez rassembler vos affaires et...
Artificial intelligence here to keep things right smoothly during your training. Busy day, and it's not over yet. Stay sharp.
Spider-Man! Footballing!
Yeah, I got that on camera.
What? Oh wow, yeah. I quite like the lounge flows.
No, it's not, it's just a temple, it's not spiritual.
How they light up?
There's some guy was wearing one of these yesterday, he had an Avengers tribute on, and then that touched the song.
That's cool. Okay, as a pillow. The web slinger stuff. That's quite cool. That like spins round, and then you got like other stuff as well. It's so cool. Oh, they light up. That's cool. Thank you. Oh wow. Thank you. Do you want a Spidey? There's a Spidey colour there. Spidey mug? You want a onesie? 12? Oh.
Spidey box.
Yeah. Oh, cool. You got him here, look. They got like a shell thing, haven't they? Yeah. So it says single rider on the web slingers is a 30-minute wait, and we're seeing it's 17 minutes past 12 now. So yeah, have a look. The last one was correct, so it would be great if this one was as well. So awesome. Oh, might not even be that long actually. It looks like there's only 2 people in front of me. Awesome.
Nous vous souhaitons une excellente visite durant cette journée portes ouvertes de la Web Engineering Brigade. Et voici notre chef de projet, Peter Parker.
Comment ça va? Je suis Peter Parker. Ici chez Web, on a accès à une super technologie, comme le vibranium du Wakanda ou ce fluide extraterrestre dément. On a les particules de Pym et Startech. Ça nous permet de développer des trucs incroyables, comme ces petits speederboats par exemple. Regardez, c'est super, ils peuvent même se dupliquer tout seuls.
Se dupliquer tout seul?
Parce qu'ils sont pas croyables. Petit, arrête de faire ça, c'est bon. Mais si vous êtes là, c'est pour nous aider à tester le nouveau véhicule Slinger. Grâce à son processeur, vous lancerez vos propres toiles d'araignée, comme mon pote Spider-Man.
Peter, ta présentation est en train de t'échapper.
Oui, je remarque pas, Chéline, et je te serais reconnaissant de lancer immédiatement les protocoles.
Peter, il y a un petit problème.
Enfin, si vous voulez lancer une toile, c'est simple comme bonjour. Vous tendez juste les bras dans la direction que vous voulez, et le tour est lancé. C'est cool.
Peter, les speederboats continuent de se répliquer et dévorent tout ce qu'ils trouvent sur leur passage.
Ils ont l'air bloqués en mode auto-réplication. Tu pourrais essayer de gérer ça à ma place?
Très bien. Je contacte Monsieur Stark.
N'appelle pas Monsieur Stark! N'appelle pas Monsieur Stark, j'aurais pas dû crier. Est-ce que tu pourrais appeler une autre personne?
Oh, ok, je contacte Spider-Man.
C'est bizarre. Je vais appeler Spider-Man à la rescousse parce que je crois qu'il est dans les parages. Ok, au revoir. Spider-Man?
As you may have noticed, the Spider-Bots are multiplying and consuming everything in sight. Unless Spider-Man can stop them, they will destroy the entire Avengers Campus. Malgré ce que vous voyez là, les Spider-Bots ont été créés pour être des assistants robotiques, mais ils dévorent actuellement tout ce qu'ils rencontrent et se multiplient à un rythme alarmant. Rien qu'on fait, ils vont finir par anéantir le campus des Avengers. Mais bon, attendons de voir, rien n'est perdu. Bon, nous devrions être en sécurité jusqu'à l'arrivée de Spider-Man tant qu'il ne plonge pas dans le fluide extraterrestre. The Spider-Bots are getting out of control. We need Spider-Man now. J'active les protocoles de niveau 2.
Salut, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Vous avez un problème d'arachide? Je vais vous aider.
Te voilà, super. Le risque à atteindre le niveau danger exponentiel. Tu as peut-être besoin d'aide. Et si j'appelle les Avengers?
Pas de panique, les amis. Je vais régler ça. Ok, la journée porte ouverte est annulée.
Are you okay?
Et je crois que j'ai besoin d'aide.
C'est pas compliqué.
Chérine, prépare les véhicules Slinger.
C'est comme si c'était fait.
Allez tous vers les Slingers et on fera équipe pour empêcher les Spider-Bots de détruire le campus. Un jeu d'enfant.
Okay, we have a plan. Add to the Slinger vehicles and we'll team up to sling webs and stop the Spider-Bots before they destroy the Avengers Campus. We need your help. You know the drill. Watch your Les bots avancent toujours. Le guidage est de nouveau opérationnel. Spider-Man, le niveau de risque est passé à la catastrophe de tous les temps. Also, that giant wash survived. Mais ces situations en chaîne nous ont aidés. Remember the chain reactions?
Attendez, les pots de fer explosent. Donc si on tire sur ces pots de fer, on déclenchera peut-être une réaction en chaîne.
Oui, the chain reaction with the components consumed. Downgrading threat level to don't tell Tony.
En fait, mieux vaut le dire.
Je crois que tu en as suffisamment appris pour jouer en tant Peter. Tu m'impressionnes, Spider-Man. Tu as vraiment résolu le...
I totally forgot to film the food that I promised you that I would film. I had some penne pasta. It was very nice, but it is all gone now. Kim's got a salad, which is mostly all gone, and some apple slices, and then we just got a Sprite and a Fanta, and then that with our magic discount was about 27 euros, 20 something euros. 29.79. Oh, 29.79 euros. So not too bad. I mean, there was a massive portion. That bowl was humongous, and I thought I wouldn't eat all of it, but I have eaten all of it. I haven't really had breakfast, so that was my excuse. So yeah, awesome. So we're going to go and do Mickey's Magic Show now. If I can film anything, I will, but I don't think I'll be allowed to, so we might see it after. We'll see after. But we did this last time, and it was amazing, and I really look forward to come back and doing it again. Kim's just talking about the toilets. We did the show. It was awesome. Yeah, I didn't film anything. It was amazing though. And now we're
Completely different seats.
yeah, we were really high up, so it was a bit of a different perspective.
I quite liked it. I thought the whole stage rather than having to move your head.
Yeah, you literally just had it right in front of you. It was really good. And then now we're gonna go into Disney Village for a bit, have a little wander around. Probably just go to the shops, see how much money I can spend.
There's a Lego store.
There's a Lego store. Yeah, just wander around shops. We didn't do the village shops that much, did we, last time?
No.
So we're gonna just spend a bit more time doing the shops, I think, today. We did everything we really wanted to do in studios apart from Terror Tower, but it was an hour wait. We're not gonna wait for an hour.
And I've got a bad back, so I'm not allowed on it.
Yeah, so it's just not worth it. So, is that your excuse you're using? I was just gonna make it look like you came.
Well, alright then, yeah, you can say that.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna just have a look around the shops. So, don't know what I'm gonna do after. We've got dinner. So still got loads of stuff to do, it's just we're just gonna take a minute out. Ooh. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Love these are brilliant. The Hades bags. How much are they? So proper lounge flow. 85 euros. Oh, that's cool. It's a hair grip. 14 euro. And it lights up. It's got lights there, look. Say that again?
I used to have one of these, but you have hard teeth.
Oh right, like buck teeth.
You have buck teeth and a hard nose. Yes.
That's
yeah,
cute.
Yeah, there's a big one there.
It's a mini spirit jersey. That's so cool. Disneyland Paris on the back. I love that.
45 euros.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's nice.
Oh.
Oh, and I love the Simba.
It's fluffy.
Oh, that's so nice. I like that. Oh, that style one.
Yeah.
It's like a bad iron job.
Jumper as well with it.
It's cute. That's a nice jumper as well.
Really nice jumper.
This bit always makes Kim and I laugh because they've tucked all the like USA stuff,
Yeah,
like really hidden. Like it's proper. Like there's nothing around here. It's literally the back of the shop, and they've just got it there. Little Ewok. That's cool. We've got a little Star Wars here. We've got a nice Mandalorian mug.
That's nice. I like that.
Shall I have one? It's nice, isn't it? Baby Yoda. The child. Oh, I like that bag. That's cute.
That is a mojito.
What is it?
The original.
The original cast. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I quite like these for like standard mugs. They're quite nice.
Buy a set of Star Wars mugs to get rid of the rest.
Sorry?
Buy a set of Star Wars mugs to make them get rid of those red ones.
Yeah, give them for our guests.
No, Steph said earlier for coffee with a small mug. This is my mum's size.
No, that's too small.
Want to spin?
Yeah. Oh. That's cool. I'm gonna get a Black Panther when it focuses. Focus. Focus. Gonna get this Black Panther one. Oh, I didn't realise I had that on the hood. Oh, that's so cute.
And then you got Stitch and Nala. Is it Nala? No.
Not Nala. I can't remember what she's called. That's cute. Terrifying from this angle, but chewy feet. We didn't get very far when we had to stop for drinks. We've got mojitos. Cheers. We've gone back to shopping. We love the artwork.
The original one.
Stitch reading the book. Reasons I should go about my day. Really know yours. She wish would go away. Aloha. Stitch reading a book again. Magnificent. Oh wow, that's brilliant. What a risky when I get into the unknown, into the unknown. Okay. Turn around. The Encanto house. $130 this one is, that's a proper dress. I like that. Oh, and these ones. So pretty! I like this as well. How much? 26. It's not bad for a bum. It's a bum bag. It's nice. I like this. Cute as well. Little makeup bag. Enjoy the moment. It's 20. She enters the shop of her dreams. Where will she go first? Oh, she's seen something she wants. She's seen something. Is it the Star Wars? Is it the Star? I think it might be the Star Wars. Yeah, I nearly bought you that one for Christmas. I got you the smaller one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. R2D2. That at is over there, like you can have that. Down the bottom there. Oh yeah. So we made our way down into the Harry Potter.
Go to the reasonable price stuff I've already got. Let's go for that one, yeah?
Sanction, yeah.
Exclusive to Disney. It's a Disney Lego store.
Yep. You got Venom down there as well.
That's cool. You got them, boy. That's €70. That's not bad, actually.
Yeah. People look at them.
You can do you can do Ragnarok.
Yeah, I'll think of that.
No, it's not Ragnarok. The other one's Ragnarok, isn't it? That's I can't say that.
Hammer.
Frozen. We're walking out of the Lego shop empty-handed. I don't think we're feeling very well actually.
I'd quite happily get that full hammer.
So we're going to eat at Plym Kitchen. Not in association with Plymouth.
Thank you.
So, got a nice little bit of salad stuff here. What have you got?
I've got mixed carrots, salmon, some mixed veg with some crispy stuff on top, and a slice of the giant burger they made.
Nice. We also got given a pretzel that was hanging on this thing here. Like this, but we've eaten it. I've eaten half my food, but I have remembered to start filming. So I've got some crabless fish tech cakes that are not fish, they're plant-based, crab flavoured. Some fake steak, veggies, some other bits and pieces, and some breaded cauliflower. Had lots of vegetables, lots of salad. It's very nice. I've got a dessert. It's supposed to be like, I don't know, apple crumble, apple pie type thing. It's quite stodgy. It's very nice though. I did have 2 of these tiny little squares and I've eaten one already, and I'm gonna demolish this one. And then you've got some like
It was a giant strawberry dessert, so there's strawberry mousse, strawberry like frozen jelly, and then some biscuit there in between.
yeah. So
Very nice.
nearly gone. I think we've eaten quite well here tonight. Yeah. So food review. Food was alright. Hopefully it's not too windy in the playback, but food was okay. Well, it was good food actually. We enjoyed our food. Our table that they sat us at was right next to sort of the reception check-in desk, and so they used it, like kept going behind Kim's chair to go back and forth and like talking over us and stuff, so I wasn't particularly impressed with the service. Also they sat us at a table and it was absolutely filthy, like underneath the floor. The chair, I had stuff on my chair, the floor was absolutely minging. But yeah, I mean, I said the food was lovely, but wasn't really impressed with anything else.
Our server was alright, he was just busy.
Yeah. Yeah, I think our server was the only one actually doing any work on our side, and the other guy that was supposed to be working was just loitering and annoying us.
Yeah.
So yeah, a bit disappointed, but then it was quite cheap for both of us to eat and just like the drink that's included. So it's all you can eat, and I paid €75. So
That's with our annual pass.
with our annual pass discount on that. With that,
It's only 84 before that.
yeah, 84 before discount. So it's all right. I won't complain. If it had been €60 each, I might have. So yeah.
Yeah, it's not quite the standard of the New York hotel where we were before.
No, that one was much higher standard and much better service.
The thing is, it hasn't been open very long, and I'm wondering whether they were struggling to cope with demand.
Yeah, so it is quite new, I suppose.
And they are literally rotating people through
Yeah,
constantly.
yeah. Like literally, I bet there's somebody already sat at our seat and we've literally got off it 2 seconds ago.
There's a queue out the door as well.
Yeah, massive queue. Massive.
And these are all pre-booked as well, so it's not just...
Yeah, it's all reservation only. So yeah, now we're walking into the shops, see what else we can potentially buy, because we like to buy
by
things.
the door as well, so I'm a bit chilly.
Yeah, Kim's a bit cold. So we're going into the shops. Yeah, I really want that.
How much is it?
Don't know. 80 probably. 50! I want that. Oh, I want that. I want that. I want it. It's nice and soft. Look how good he is. Oh, he likes a proper snuggle. He likes a proper snuggle.
The dog will be jealous.
The dog will probably eat him. He's cute though.
I got last one of these for Christmas one year.
Did you?
Yeah. I actually appreciate it.
Do you want a blanket? A Star Wars blanket?
Soft though.
It's soft. What's it?
It's 30.
€30.
This is a bit child size. Continues. Trigger on the pocket. Yeah, you don't like it, do you?
No.
I can't remember what films.
Aristocats. When you know your skies and your arpeggios. Giant Stitch. It's so big. I need your for size comparison. Hello. It's so big. How much is the big one?
Lots.
That one.
90.
Is that it? He wants to come home with us. He won't get back in the thing. It's shut. Yesterday when we got here, they were shut, and now they said they shut at 8, and now they've taken the times down, and they're shut. So, and it's only just gone 7. Like, it's like 7:05. So that's kind of annoying, but never mind. We'll try it tomorrow. Let's go and do Buzz. That's what we're coming here for. We're gonna go do Buzz. get a hot drink, and probably wait for fireworks. So it'll be awesome. Nice backdrop there, isn't it, with the castle. Decided I'm not going to film Buzz because we filmed it last night, and I want to win. So I'm going into competition mode and I'm going to win. If I get a chance to, I'll show you the scores at the end. So we're going to do pirates, and it looks like it's a walk on. It says 5 minutes and I'm just walking. I can't even see the line yet. Not inside yet though. Not yet. It's it won't be very long, that's for sure. That smell. Right now, smell like it. Only on a Pirates of the Caribbean ride does it smell like this. Oh, I love that smell.
Et je donnerai gros pour voir la tête du brave capitaine Jack Sparrow quand il saura que je suis le seul.
Je l'admets, je suis un pirate et un des meilleurs. Allez, pire, Julien. Je garde pris en réserve. Plutôt stupide pour un pirate.
We're going on a carousel. Nice to meet you, and your name is? Have you got a name? The last carousel we went on was Flambards. Yeah. It clunked, it went boom, and then boom. It was great fun. Oh, it's wrapped in a blanket. Oh, that's cute.
Steamboat Willy mug.
Or the stone? No, the sword.
No,
Out the stone.
Right.
Ma.
Yeah, I saw her in the
Oh, I did not see Nanny. Look how cute.
She was in the Pirates one.
Was she? That's what our dog's gonna be like when we eventually have children. Oh, Mulan outfits, they're awesome. Wow. The detail in the dragons at the bottom as well. That is so thick.
What's that one? Is that all that harness?
That's the coat, yeah.
Wow.
That's proper. Wow, how much is that?
Oh no, that's all off.
80.
Yeah.
That one is 80. Wow. It's proper heavy.
Yeah.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me that I am the best of all. The mirror told me I was the best.
You are the best, baby.
Yeah. Oh, the detail in there. This shop is gorgeous. Can't see that so much, but it's so pretty.
For 30 years, Disneyland Paris has welcomed dreamers of all ages from all around the world.
Oh, there they are. And we're back. That was fun. It was very, very busy, and we ended up not getting a brilliant spot to watch the fireworks, so I didn't really film a lot, so just got a few fireworks to look on. And yeah, we just sort of enjoyed, well, tried to enjoy the atmosphere. It was a bit hard because there was lots of people barging past us and just being rude, and it was a bit frustrating, but it was still nice that we stayed for the fireworks. We saw them last time, and it was like last time we were here, and they were brilliant. So I think my advice to be, if you really need to get a good view and be in a good place to see the fireworks, then you're gonna have to get there early. You're gonna have to get your spot and get a good spot, because we turned up probably about, I don't know, nearly an hour before they started, and we didn't have a great spot and we had to fight for that. So yeah, definitely if you're gonna make doing the fireworks your priority, then get there really early. We did see people camping out for like 2 hours beforehand and we were laughing like, oh, you don't need to camp out that early, but yeah, if you want a good view you do. So yeah, so we're shattered, my feet hurt, my back was hurting, but I think it's doing a bit better now. Just think it's from just being stood up all the time. So I'm just going to take some paracetamol and we'll go to bed. So I will sign off here for our full day here in Disney. We've had a great day really, actually. We've done quite a lot. We've seen loads. We've like checked out the whole of the Marvel campus and we loved it. It was brilliant. So glad that we had opportunity to come back and see that because it wasn't open when we came last time. And then yeah, we saw like a show, we've seen bits and pieces. So we will see you next week. Next week's vlog for you guys will be us tomorrow, and that will be us in the Disneyland Park. We're gonna try and get there relatively early in the morning for like sort of park opening for general guests, and we're gonna try and get as much done as we possibly can. Yeah, so we'll see you in a minute.